Bob, I went to get in my car later this evening, and I literally had a little bit of a chill because it was that cold.
Yeah, chilled here in this building, too. This
Right.
building's a little bit chilly lately. As a result of the temperatures over the past couple of days, into the 50s for highs. But today, different story. We got into the upper 60s. Tomorrow, even warmer still. So, yeah, we're going to have one day warm up, and then things start to chill out again. Here's a nice photo that was sent in earlier. And you can see this was the sunset this evening at Sarasota Bayfront. Miss Ensley sending that in. Appreciate that photo. Sunrise tomorrow, by the way, 7:21, and should be just as gorgeous as that sunset because skies will be clear. KCKey webcam showing the fair skies overhead and some high-level cirrus clouds moving in earlier, made for a spectacular sunset. Again, looks like we'll see similar conditions again tomorrow. Before the clouds move in, clouds are going to come in as a result of a cold front that is starting to develop over the southern plain states, and this front already bringing snow into Texas and expected to spread off to the lower Mississippi Valley. Right now, very active subtropical jet stream. Saw some of the clouds with it moving off to the east right there. A few showers, very light rain showers along the east coast, and then here comes the front. Already starting to bring some snow and rain mixed right there over northeast Texas, right there near Dallas. A lot of snow taking place into Arkansas right now, where they could get up to 6 inches of snow. Now 54 here, nice and mild compared to what we've had. We have partly cloudy skies, winds out of the east-northeast at 12. And high today, I want to show you real quick, it's 69 degrees, getting close to our average. This morning's low was chilly at 44. Well, right now it's 54, 10 degrees warmer than the low this morning. 37 though in Jacksonville and 46 in Orlando, 65 in Miami. Hourly forecast for Tuesday looks like this with plenty of sunshine in the morning, just a few clouds in the afternoon. Temperatures in the low 70s. At one point we'll get up to about 72 degrees, especially some inland areas. And then tomorrow night, warmer still before the next cold front arrives. Now, that cold front, as I mentioned, is starting to develop along an area of low pressure here. That front will move through relatively unnoticed in terms of rainfall, but we will see some increase in cloudiness come late Wednesday afternoon, and that will be a result of that front. And behind it, the Arctic air is spilling southward now, all the way down into the plain states. So snow falling in southern Ohio, stretching off into Kentucky and northwest of Lexington and all the way down to Bowling Green, getting some snow showers there with a quick hitting system, a clipper system, if you will. And we are watching the system develop. This is the future cast. We'll take you through time. For us, we're looking at fair skies tomorrow as a result of high pressure. Here comes the front, though, and the area of low pressure developing. A little bit of snow getting close to the panhandle of Florida near Tallahassee, and freezing rain and snow, a real possibility Wednesday morning as the kids get to the school there. We're going to have a hard time of it. Schools may be closed as a result of some freezing rain around there near Tallahassee. And then for us, the front goes through relatively unnoticed. We'll see some clouds around, and then eventually the front clears and it turns cold. Forecast winds tomorrow will be out of the northeast, anywhere from 10 to 15 in the morning, and then really picking up on Wednesday as that front nears and moves on through. You'll notice the 20, 25-mile-an-hour winds, small craft advisories will be issued for Wednesday night, too, and into Thursday morning. That Arctic air spilling southward now in Minot. The current temperature minus 15 and 8 into St. Louis. It feels like minus 8 in St. Louis right now, minus 14 in Kansas City. So, yes, winter making a comeback across much of the eastern two-thirds of the nation. For boaters tomorrow, a little bit breezy, 15 knots, subsiding to 5 to 10 in the afternoon. Seas running 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop. And then here's the forecast as we see it. 70 for a high tomorrow, basically along the coast. 64, though, for a high on Wednesday. And then the clouds increase later in the day. Wind chill in the morning on Thursday will be right around 30 degrees, and that's when the advisories will be out. But notice this, we start to warm up Friday, 70 degrees, and then a decent weekend ahead. Finally, temperatures into the mid-70s both on Saturday and Sunday, as the Manatee County Fair will be wrapping up on a warm note, it looks like, as opposed to the chilly start that it got. 53 for low on Saturday morning, 58 and a bit warmer on Sunday morning.